Hey guys, what's up? I am back with the new video, and today this video is sponsored by Goodfair. They are a service that basically sends you thrifted mystery boxes that you can basically choose. All you have to do is give them your sizing. I personally chose oversized pieces for my sweatshirt bundle. Basically, you don't know what you're getting, but you know the sizes that you're getting and the style that you're getting. So I basically got the men's extra large sweatshirt bundle. I got some really cool things, you guys. They also sent me their long sleeve shirt bundle, their short sleeve shirt bundle, and also their denim shirt bundle. And so from there, I basically changed up the sizes a bit. So for the short sleeve shirts, I picked medium. For the long sleeve shirts, I picked medium and large. And for the sweatshirts and denim, I picked extra large because I just wanted that really oversized fit. I think I was able to successfully style every single piece that I was sent this time, which is really cool. And yeah, it was just refreshing not having to go to a thrift store and just having stuff sent to me. I love mystery boxes, but I've never had like a mystery clothing box before. Obviously, be sure to go ahead and wash the clothes once you get them because they are thrifted. Just as a safety precaution, we are going through a pandemic right now, so just remember that. Yeah, I got some really cool things, you guys. This is what the mystery box looked like. I literally got so much stuff here. Sorry, my fridge just turned on. But yeah, this is what the Goodfair box is looking like. I'm able to style stuff the same way I am if I go to like Urban Outfitters or Zara or something. I can pretty much make some very similar outfits, if not better, than going to those types of places. So definitely look into it. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the haul. Okay, this next piece is a burgundy looking sweatshirt. This is also in an extra large, and this is one of my favorite pieces from this collection. This is the sweatshirt bundle, by the way, and this fits me perfectly. Like, I'm wearing this with a black mini skirt for today. I also have my cherry earrings. It's like muted, yet still kind of colorful, and I personally just love it. I think it's great. It fits me really, really well. Kind of has a little quirkiness to it that I kind of go for. So yeah, this is honestly a really good find. This is a men's extra large. I just love it. It looks so cute. It's so comfy. It's so warm. Not that I really need to be warm right now in LA, but it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna take off this burnt orange little blazer that I paired together with this. So basically, this is what they sent me. I think it's what is this? Some type of school or team shirt or something like that. And I just cropped it, you guys. I literally just got some cloth scissors from Daiso yesterday or the other day, and I just cropped it and I just made it boxy. I love stuff like this. But yeah, generally if I want like an oversized look, I have to basically get 2 sizes up. Let me tell you, they look so good, especially in the men's section. They're made where the sleeves are a lot wider, and so I just go for this look. I also paired it together with this oversized blazer that I got a while ago, and this is just a way to kind of dress it up, outing for shopping or whatever. You can wear something like this. It's got the blazer, you have your oversized sweatshirt, your sweatpants, and you can have some cute like white sneakers. Again, this was a part of the sweatshirt bundle. I basically layered a turtleneck underneath this, and so it's pretty oversized, and this is like a light wash denim. I'm also wearing a skirt underneath this as well, but I felt like this looks really cool with like chunky boots and a cute little purple turtleneck. For this alone, this would be really cute if you just kind of opened up the top portion of it more and had it like this. If you have thicker thighs like myself, wear a skirt underneath so that if anything kind of like goes up, you just never know. This isn't a size extra large men's, or I think it's just large actually, men's. But yeah, I also asked for the denim pieces to be larger as well because I like that oversized 90s type of look. Love the wide sleeves and the collar and everything. This is more of a thinner material, which I love because it gets really hot in LA, especially even during winter. It's still kind of on the hotter side, especially like where I live. So this is perfect. This is really, really cute. I think it's an adorable outfit. Love the full fit and everything. It's great. So yeah. All right, so this is the next piece. I'm just loving this whole outfit, the vibe, everything. I'm also liking how it shows my curves, but it's like, it's just a nice baggy look up top. It kind of creates like a silhouette more at the bottom. Just everything is just so flattering. Like just the way that this sits on me, the way that it feels. This is also part of the denim bundle. They sent me 2 denim shirts. This is also in an extra large, I'm pretty sure. I just really wanted like a pop of color with this, so I paired it together with this lime green like bandeau underneath it. I just think the whole look looks so cute, and I also paired it together with obviously with my platforms. This denim shirt is the same style as the last one, but if you want to make it cropped, all you have to do is just tie it, open it up, unbutton it, and just tie it around your waist, and it honestly works as like a really good crop top, and it dresses up your whole look. So yeah. Got this red turtleneck to go with this shirt that they sent me. So it says epic fail on it. Don't know what that means, don't know where it comes from, but I thought it was pretty cute. I got all of the shirts in the shirt bundle in the size medium because I wanted some extra room in there in case I wanted to go ahead and layer it for fall. I love it. These pants are so comfortable with it, and I just feel like it gives me a really sporty look. Just like pair this together with like white sneakers or like even black ones. It's just a really comfortable, sporty look. Enough room for my legs where I'm feeling nice. I can just go to the grocery store in this, honestly, during winter if I want to like show a little bit of my legs. And I think it's really, really cute. I did a pretty bad job at like, as far as cropping and trying to make the bottom part more of like a ruche thing going on, but it still looks okay because I didn't like how it looked with it just being kind of tight on me and just tucking it in. So I tried to do something cool, and this is kind of what I came up with. I don't know, maybe I should like pull this up more. But yeah, I already have this like skirt, so I just matched it together, and I just kept this green top on because I already had it on. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing. In the bundles, they send you random stuff. It can be from a school, it can be from a team, of like a sports team or something. So just know that like you'll be probably getting some really sporty items when you're looking for shirts, sweatshirts and stuff like that. But yeah, this is another one. This is from the long sleeve shirt bundle, and I basically just paired it together with this thrifted sweater coat thing that I have going on, but I tucked it into my navy blue pair of shorts, and I'm wearing it with my platform shoes. So I just feel like I would normally wear this. Again, I'm just pairing together like more formal pieces with like less formal pieces and just making them like a more casual slash dressed up look. And I just really like this like on a cold day where I just want to cover up my legs a little bit more if I'm wearing shorts or something. I think it looks really cute. This is how it looks without it. I think without the sweater, it's giving me more of like an 80s type feel because the shorts are so long, and I just love the way this shirt fits me. Like, wow. It's just so cute. I just like how the sleeves are, and they're kind of like baggier, I guess, but it just looks so good with like a nice pair of high-waisted shorts. Again, I love the grandma 80s type of feels. Yeah, this with like a pair of white sneakers, or again, like with my platform boots I'm wearing right now, looks really cute. I wanted to pair together this burnt orange oversized sweatshirt with a plaid skirt. So basically I like to pair together very sporty pieces with more formal ones. I just think it dresses up the look very well, and I think the layered look goes well with that too. Like I could put together like a little turtleneck underneath this, but I think it's just, the weather in LA is not that serious, so I'm not gonna do that. But I personally love, I think this is an Izod. Yep, this is an Izod oversized sweatshirt. I love this. I love the color. I think it is perfect. I also love how you can zip it up in the front. But for this particular look, I prefer to kind of just leave this open. But I can wear this with like biker shorts, leggings that are high-waisted, like stuff that just looks really cute and sporty with this. But again, I wanted to dress this up, put it with some boots, and make it look really cute and wearable. But y'all, they really did take time to pick out some really nice colors for what I wanted, and I think that it's one of my favorite pieces. I just think it looks so cute. So yeah, this was also a part of the sweatshirt bundle, extra large or large in this one. I know that this might be a weird pairing, but I felt like it looked okay because I saw a look like this before, but maybe if this was just a plain green, it would look better. I'm gonna just take off this. It's got Vikings on it or something, or I don't know what this is. It's a team of some sort. I don't really know. I paired it together with this like printed skirt and also some white sneakers, and that's pretty much what this is. This was a part of the long sleeve shirt bundle, and I do like the color. I'm not sure if I really like what it says, but I mean, I do like the fit of the shirt. It has enough room in the arms for me, so like it's really comfy. It's really good for winter, and I could just wear this together with like some black sweatpants or like maybe some biker shorts or something really, really chill. But I wanted to try something a bit different, so hopefully that looked okay. Okay, so next piece I have is this shirt that they sent me. This is also in a medium. This is a long sleeve. They sent me a long sleeve shirt bundle and also a short sleeve shirt bundle. Most of these are in like medium and large, I think, but I just love this one because I just like the colors. I paired it together with a bright lime green turtleneck underneath it, and I just like how the shirt fits me. Like it's not too tight. It's like perfectly roomy. It still has like a nice little fit for me, and I paired it together with these shorts, but I just like how these fit me personally. It fits really, really nice, and obviously I paired it together with my chunky boots, and everything just looks very alienish for me, which I like. And I also paired it together with a bucket hat that I've had for a minute now. I just love this because it fits all of my wigs. But yeah, I just like how it looks. The fit is nice. The sleeves hit me in a really good spot. And I just think everything looks really flattering for me. Yeah, this is more of a casual outfit, but it's also pretty cute as well. So I have this second piece, which I'm gonna honestly take off the top so you guys can see like the actual piece I'm talking about. So they sent me this cute Superman t-shirt, and this was in the t-shirt bundle that I ended up getting. I actually just paired this together with like this like cropped oversized top. I think that t-shirts can be dressed up in this and layered like this in such a cute way, especially for winter time, or honestly in LA winter. And that's what I kind of wanted to do with this. I also paired it together with this skirt that I thrifted ages ago. This is not from Good Fare, but the shirt definitely is. I feel like the red in this crop top makes the red in this Superman shirt really pop, which is why I chose that together. And I'm also wearing the same boots that I wore earlier in the video. To me, this whole look is so freaking cute. I feel like it definitely goes together. It complements each other. Yeah, I loved this. This is a really cute fitted shirt. I feel like this shirt though is in a medium. So yeah, that's it for all of the outfits in this video. I hope that you guys liked my thrift haul mystery bundle unboxing from Good Fare. And yeah, be sure to go ahead and check Good Fare out. Thank you to Good Fare for sponsoring this video, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.